everyone. In this video presentation, I'll be going to discuss about the diesel cycle. Diesel cycle, it is a thermodynamic model for a compression ignition engine. It involves isotropic compression of air followed by a constant pressure, then isobaric heat addition from fuel injection, isotropic expansion of the gas and a constant volume, isochoric heat rejection as the cycle is. How diesel engine work? It explains kung paano mag-convert ang heat from fuel into a mechanical work. There are four processes on how converting heat energy from fuel into mechanical work. First, the isotropic compression. If the piston compress air into the cylinder, then no heat is added or removed. This will lead to the temperature and pressure rise. After that, the constant pressure heat addition. If the fuel is injected into the hot compressed air, fuel burns at constant pressure. This was led the rising temperature and volume. After the piston is compressed air back into the cylinder, but no heat added or removed. This was led, di ba kaya na-compress naman to ang piston ito sa cylinder is temperature niya mo rise as well as the volume. Then the constant pressure heat addition. Mo add ang heat after na-compress man siya. Then the fuel is injected into the hot air and the fuel was burned. Next, the isotropic expansion. Ang hot ato nga compress during sa constant pressure heat addition is mo expand nga mo reason nga why ang piston mo down. This produce work output and the output no change. Next, the constant volume injection. At the end of the cycle, heat is removed at constant volume. Air returns its initial state. Now of the diesel cycle in terms of thermal efficiency. In terms of the temperature, these are the formula. We have the thermal efficiency 1 minus T sub 4 minus T sub 1 over T sub 3 minus T sub 2. Wherein the T1 is the inlet temperature, wherein the T sub 2 we have the temperature at the end of compression, wherein that T sub 3 we have the temperature at the end of the heat addition. And the T sub 4 is the temperature at the end of expansion, while the T is the ratio of specific heats as well as the volumes. These are the formulas in terms of temperature. In terms of compression and cut-off ratios, these are the formulas. We have the thermal efficiency 1 minus 1 over the T, which is the T, we have a ratio of specific heats, and the R sub C is the compression ratio. We have the volume 1 over the volume 2. Next, we have the RC is the cut-off ratio. We have the volume 3 over the volume 2. Specific ratio of heat minus 1 over the RC minus 1. In terms of net work done, these are the formulas. Net work done over mass times specific pressure T sub 3 minus T sub 2 minus mass times specific volume T sub 4 minus T sub 2. And mean effective pressure, these are the formulas. We have the mean effective pressure, net work done over volume 1 minus volume 2.